हाँ जी मैम, just 1 second. हाँ जी मैम, now I'm absolutely you're audible now ma'am, and welcome to our school. And Veena ma'am, is she there? No, she has yet to join. I can't see Veena ma'am. Acha, your video is not visible. Okay, should I wait ma'am? Should I wait? Okay. We have two gates. One is for ma'am. हाँ जी ma'am. Yes ma'am. Please okay. Entrance, and we have two gates ma'am. One is for entry and right. Now is it okay? That will get inside ma'am. We are still outside. I'm just moving. This is our bigger gate and the smaller one also. You can see the guard standing there. Right? And I'm entering now and the boundary wall starts. Here we have like everything here for COVID also, to prevent it. The sanitizer, the thermal scanner, everything. We don't allow a visitor to enter without all these formalities, all these precautions. As you can see, ma'am, our 50% staff is coming, ma'am. 50%. Ma'am, these days it was mainly as we are having our midterm exams also online. So there were so many things. They were taking the classes also. As per the classes, they come on alternate days, and also for the preparation of ma'am the attendance registers and all, because they had not been coming since long, ma'am. So they were called, as government has allowed 50% staff to come. So they are coming as per that. And ma'am, this is our guard room, if you can see. And with the guard room, we have our guest washrooms, which are also used by our transporters. We don't allow them to come inside the school premises. And we also have a retiring room for the transporters, where when they are free, they can sit there. So they are totally not allowed, keeping in mind the security of the children. This washroom is for both for male and female, and it is used by our class 4 staff as well. Now moving to this, we have our vision and our mission, which are very proudly displayed on our right at the entrance of our gate. If you can see, ma'am, is it clear? Our school vision. Right, ma'am, right. So we have this right in the entrance, main entrance. Now after that, now this is the boundary wall. Thank you, ma'am. Pardon? Our mission, right, ma'am. Our mission is to ignite all kinds of minds, bringing learning alive. Irrespective of whatever the child is, we want each and every child's mind to be ignited. At least that spark should be there, that it should be ignited. Of course, the levels can be different, but our motto is to ignite each and every child who is entrusted upon us. Not only them, even the others also, because our children are also involved in lot of social causes also, ma'am. We are a member of Rotary Club. My children are Rotary Cubs, and they have been, even they are a part of that also. And ma'am, now you can see our boundary wall, the Pakka boundary wall, starting right from the retiring room. You can see it goes. Can you see it? Can you see that, ma'am? I'm just showing. Still? Okay. Okay. Wait, ma'am. Wait. I'll just. Now, ma'am. Okay. Here. Can you see now, ma'am? Not yet. Ma'am, here it is moving, but maybe that side it is got frozen or something. Please check the net connectivity, ma'am. Now you can see this. And along with the wall, ma'am, we have lovely trees and plants growing for, of course, giving a lot of freshness. Ma'am, our height is 7 feet. 7 feet with railing on it, ma'am. There is iron railing also. Should I show you closer? Wait, I'll show you the railing also.
Ma'am, this side.
Here, ma'am. Here, I'll show you without plants that side. Can you see the? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is. Yes, ma'am. It is. It is on all the 4 sides. Pakka wall. Ma'am, ours is a residential. Our school is in residential area, Huda sector. So, as you know, the norms are very strict here. Otherwise, also. So we are following absolutely whatever the government has otherwise also sanctioned as for whatever the rules and regulations. Here you can see our one, ma'am, I'm just moving along with our boundary wall that you can see, and now this is our side. You can lot of passageway we have, ma'am, which we use for different purposes. Like there are lots of multiple purpose rather. Though it is a passageway. And you can see the wall also, the trees, the plants, everything besides the wall. I'm sure you can see them now, ma'am. Can you see? I'm moving towards playground, ma'am. I'm moving towards playground now. This is our school building. This is our school building. Side by it is 3 floors, ma'am. Our building is 3 floors. Grounds, and the kindergarten section is exclusively, it's not a separate building. You can say it's a separate building. Totally isolated from the other classes. And now I am moving towards the playground. Well, 5 acres. 5 acres. 5 acres. Right. And ma'am, now I am moving towards, this is our sports complex. You can see now. I'll show you the things that we have. On right, written on the sports complex also board. It is, as you can see, skating rink, badminton, volleyball, taekwondo, chess, basketball, cricket academy, football, athletics, table tennis, draughts, gymnastics, then indoor games like chess, draught. Ma'am, we have won national championship in draught. And in skating, our 2 children are going for international, they were actually selected to go in June to USA, ma'am, for international skating competition. But of course, because of lockdown, the things have been postponed. And ma'am, you can see our skating ring now. I'll just show you the wider view. You can see the wall also, ma'am. The wall is continuing side besides the playground. And here, ma'am, this is our skating ring. It is the biggest in Ambala, ma'am. And and inter-district competition, roller skating competition was also held here, and where our school children, they were declared as the runners amongst 400 participants from various schools all over Ambala and nearby cities, ma'am. I hope you can see the skating ring. Hanji, ma'am. And that is the sitting area also we have for the audience, where they can enjoy the game, they can enjoy and they can sit here. This place is specially made for sitting, ma'am. These are the stairs that you can see, and they are for audience. Pardon, yeah. Yes, ma'am, thank you so much. And now we have, again you can see the wall, ma'am. It's going side by side only, besides the playground. I'm moving little fast here. Whenever you tell me, I'll stop, ma'am, because we need to cover a lot. Hanji, ma'am, I'm showing you the wall side by side. And this is all sitting area, ma'am, a long, huge area for the audience. You can see there, Hanji, open auditorium. Hanji. And ma'am, skating ring, we are still continuing. The rink is still going on. You can see the railing of the rink. And ma'am, this is our playground. Again, I'll show you the wall, boundary wall. It is, can you see the? Hanji, ma'am. Hanji. Now, right, ma'am. This is our playground area. Our PT teacher, Mrs. Saroj, is standing there, ma'am. And this is our volleyball court. We have, sure, ma'am, please. I'm just moving to her. Saroj, ma'am wants to talk to you.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wait. No. No, ma'am, can see. Can you see yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Hold it.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Hello. Saroj Kalra. Ma'am, DPAD and Kushetra University. BA, afterward DPAD. Ma'am, BA, afterward DPAD. Yes, ma'am.
This year's.
मैम मैंने 2018 में ज्वाइन किया था. आफ्टरवर्ड सम पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम, देन आई रिजाइन अगेन, रीजॉइनिंग इन जुलाई 2019. मैम, बास्केटबॉल, मेन गेम माई बास्केटबॉल एंड खो खो एंड एथलेटिक्स. Yes, ma'am.
Say that state.
Ma'am, national level students are going on for field events for athletics and volleyball in district level and state level in skating also. Ma'am, kho and cricket also.
State.
Ma'am, school games and CBSE also. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ जी मैम, हाँ जी. One is Mr. Tejveer.
Yes, ma'am. Feedback for COVID.
Where is
That's why
Tej?
ma'am, Tej is not present, no? He's the COVID.
Ma'am, yes, we have Mr. Tejveer, ma'am. He's our second PTI. He's MPA, but unfortunately he's suffering from COVID, ma'am. So he's unable to come today. He's not coming from last few days, ma'am. So if you want, whenever he'll rejoin, I'll definitely make sure that he speaks to you. He's from, yes, ma'am. Otherwise, he's also, he's MPA, ma'am. He's online. We can try that, ma'am, definitely. Ma'am, but will you please give me some time for that? Once, but today yes, ma'am, before you leave, I'll definitely make sure that he speaks to you.
This is a focus from that.
As you wish, ma'am, as you wish. As you wish.
Sir,
Fine. Yes, ma'am, I'm just. Hanji. Now, let's see this is again our Coco ground, ma'am, that you can see. This is Coco ground. Then we have Cricket Academy also. Hanji, ma'am. Can you see, ma'am? Right. And this is the coaching, ma'am. You can see the marking on the ground. That is Coco ground. Coco as well. Right. Yes. So this is Coco ground. Our school buses, which are, ma'am, our school is centrally AC, and even the buses, they are AC, GPS and camera governed with lady attendant and all that, all the security measures which are required for the children, for the security of the children. So we have a fleet of buses, ma'am, deluxe AC buses. Of course, they are lying useless. In between the buses, you can see. And Hanji. So this is again our building, and this is the pavement that we are walking on. I'm saying, ma'am, it's identical. Like both the blocks are totally identical. In center, we have basically 3 blocks. 2 identical on each side, And then we have in the center the admin block, ma'am. You can see the wall again here. Can you see, ma'am? The boundary wall. I'm just walking besides the boundary wall all over the school.
Only?
And here we have for the staff of the parking area. And ma'am, as I told you, we have two gates. So our second gate, you can see, it is here. Can you see, ma'am? There is a guard room beside the second gate also. As I told you, the entire building is identical. So our exit gate is this. Entry gate I have already shown you. And guard room, then we have our generator, ma'am, with a capacity of 125 kilowatt, which gives us power backup. And moreover, our school is, ma'am, solar panel enabled. We generate our own electricity, so quite eco-friendly, you can say. And 100 kilowatt energy, ma'am, electricity is produced by our, the roofs are totally solar panels. You might have seen in the video also, ma'am. Yes. Fine. Right, ma'am, and then we have here the lawn. We are moving towards admin block now, ma'am. This is again have house system, right? And this you can see our flags. The school flag is right in the center, ma'am. OPS school flag with our school logo. No mask, no entry. And again we have here, ma'am, the sitting arrangement for the visitors. You can see our receptionist is there, and we have here again for the visitors. And ma'am, I think I would like to show you our source of inspiration. I started that. This is again our accounts department. As you can see, we have a small visitors lounge also. And then used by the students as well, because it's comparatively safer. So keeping a lot of welfare guidelines. We have a complaint box, ma'am, for the children, where they can, without any fear in private. Here, Mrs. Balwinder. You can see her. And we want to speak to her, ma'am. Good morning. Just one second.
Good morning, ma'am.
Wait. Put it inside.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. First you want to have a round? Okay. Right, ma'am. This is the
101 books. Yes, ma'am. Reference books, story books, fiction, non-fiction, motivational books, comics books. Yes, Punjabi story books. Yes.
ma'am 30 for children. Yes. You can see there. Ma'am, it's like 35 to 40 between 15 more, ma'am. Already the order has been placed. Because of lockdown, maybe that was little slowed down. Otherwise, we have already placed order of 15 more, ma'am. Because 5 as it is, the teachers are also using. Anji, ma'am. Ma'am, should I give the headphone to ma'am?
Ma'am, in UKG also the students are coming to show their parts of a computer. UKG teachers are bringing the students and we are taking the students from class 1.
Also. And our wellness and counselor ma'am, she's here if you want to meet her also. This is our infirmary ma'am, can you see? Which we have in our school for minimum relief. Hanji ma'am, sure. Name of, ma'am, I can hear your voice. Can you see the picture?
अरे यहाँ कट्ठे क्यों नहीं? ये कौन?
This is ma'am, the outer one, and the inner one is auditorium. G, and this is the inner view of the staff room as well. These are lockers for the teachers. We have tea and coffee vending machine also, and cabinets, ma'am. They have all the classes are having LED, green board, then podium, age appropriate furniture, display board. Then we have here on all our CCTV, CCTV surveillance throughout the school, ma'am. We have 109 cameras in the school, taps in one place, and we have an RO system attached with our hand wash basin. WCs. We have same system. Yes, this is the gauge system also, ma'am. You can see the pipe, water gauge. In case of emergency, we are having midterm exams. So we on and off we have revision classes also for children, which are of course online. Again the same setup. Age appropriate furniture as per the class. Ma'am, +1 and this setup, LEDs. This is our LED enabled. And ma'am, besides this, we also have other visual aids also. All the 3 sections, proposed sections for 11. Our teacher is here, ma'am, to explain you about the lab. May I hand over the headphone to her, ma'am? To bio teacher. Ma'am, may I hand over the headphone?
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to OPS Vidya Mandir. Slide box in which we are having prominent slides, and these are plain slides, and we are having spirit lamps so that we can perform the experiment in which we require burning. Then we are having different charts.
So let me show you around now the lab, whatever equipments we have here. Followed by. So here we have ma'am operators just to show Newton's third law of motion, the action and reaction forces, equal and opposite. Setup where we can draw the magnetic field lines by using compass and magnets. Calorimeters. Then we have various measuring instruments for smaller length which we use particularly, like we have vernier calipers, screw gauge, we have digital balance here, spring balance. Okay, slinky. This experiment we do in class 9 for finding out the time period of the waves, transverse or longitudinal with the stopwatch. This is
Ma'am, can you see this? Here it is, chemistry lab. Now we are entering. I want to remove this. How to remove this? Now here, ma'am. Yes. Now this is our chemistry lab, ma'am, and I'm handing over the mic to now our chemistry teacher, Anuradha, ma'am. Hold the power.
Good morning, ma'am. No, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Sorry, it's good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you all, ma'am? Actually, we were waiting for morning, so that's why we are just looking at the time. How are you, ma'am? Nice to see you here. This is our chemistry lab. Welcome to this lab. I'm showing you the view. We are having, yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, MSc, BSc, MSc, B.Ed, CTEL clear, HTEL clear. हाँ जी मैम. Yes, ma'am. Cylinder is outside. May I move to outside because of the security of the students? It is outside. I can show. You can see. I'm showing you, ma'am. Matchbox is also there. If it is not working, then I can use matchbox also. In the morning, I may try.
With all ultra modern facilities, again with the seating capacity of 800 people. And you can see the stage, it is multiple purpose tower. We use it for indoor games also, as the chairs are removable. So right in every corner, as I said. See the screen, the LED screen as well. That's it. At one we have otherwise. That's fine. Perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Ma'am, yes. At one time we have arranged at one we yes, ma'am. Should I arrange for online class link for you? Should I send you?
Full of diamond subjects, and we are having some of them here with us today.
Yes, ma'am.
With this
Can you see it, ma'am?
Our guests, Principal Ma'am,
X.
अच्छा
मैम किसी डिवाइस को म्यूट करो. दिस इज म्यूट हो रही है. ये किसके हो रही है? डिवाइस में वो हो रहा है, प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, एको हो रही है. देखो किसका हो रही है. मैम इज इट ओके ना? ठीक से फोकस करो. सेंटर में रहेगा.
हम बैक कैमरा करेंगे.
आधा दिख रहा है. एक मिनट. NOC. Yes, ma'am. 8 till 8 class, ma'am. We started with 8, and every year we are adding 1 class each. So this is our 3rd year. So 10th is this will be our first session of 10th, ma'am. Stand. Lord Rama Lord Rama Educational Society, ma'am. It's written here on top. ये ना मैम, ये देखो डेट दिख रही होगी आपको यहाँ पे 9/5/2018 आज। हाँ हाँ जी, क्या कह रहे हो? Coming, they are saying, ma'am, we are not having even a second. We have been approaching them again and again. Rather, yesterday also they had gone, but they are saying, ma'am, there are so many deaths due to COVID, and for us now that is more important. This they have given us the receiving. Otherwise, you can see. मैम नहीं कर रहे, अभी हम कल भी गए थे बल्कि लेट।